Okay, let's continue. Ooh. Yeah, don't fall down there. You don't want to fall down there. Wow, see how beautiful that is? Okay, that part is Hacienda Heights. Okay, we are at Rowland Heights. La Puente is way back there. Today is November 27. Yeah, November 27. The traffic is gonna be heavy. Imagine you build a house up here. That'd be nice, right? A little place of your own. Okay, today it's gonna be heavy traffic because people coming back from 4 days weekend. They're gonna come back from Las Vegas. Traffic is gonna be fucking hell. So if you guys planning to go to Vegas, I recommend for you to leave at midnight and then come back at around, I would say 12 noon. After 12, traffic gonna pick up from Vegas to Los Angeles. But most people don't do that. They get off work and they just leave for Vegas. On the last day in Vegas, they stay there until like evening and then they leave. So they get stuck in like 3-4 hour traffic. Oh man. I used to be stronger in my 30s. Age is wearing me down. Okay, we're almost halfway there. Once you get to the peak, there are 3 ways to get up to the peak. The first route is going to be a very steep route. Okay, and the second route is going to be the medium steep. The third route is going to be the easiest one. You got a baby can climb it. You'll see what I mean when we get there. Oh. Back in 2014, I used to come here in the summer to exercise because I get off work at 10:30 a.m. So I come here to exercise. It's fucking hot. Never come here in the summer. Come on weekends morning or evening. Okay, we're almost there. See that? That's the top. Over here, on that side is Rowland Heights and Diamond Bar. Over here, you got Hacienda Heights. I want to show you more, but I have to run before it gets dark. If it gets dark, you can't see nothing. Well, I cheated a little bit. I didn't show you the entrance. But there are many ways to get up here, many entrances. When you get here, you find out how to enter the trail. I was walking for like 10 minutes and I forget to record, you know? Well, you didn't miss that much. Only 10 minutes walking. And you come here in the spring, you're gonna see sakura. I think that's sakura trees growing in the park. But I'm not sure they are sakura because they look like sakura. So you gotta come here and see for yourself. It's all pink and white color. But I think it is sakura tree. Or maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell. It looks like sakura. You come and see it for yourself in the spring. It should be around May and April, I think, when the flowers start blooming. You see a lot of people taking pictures with those sakura tree. In this part, they don't have a lot of those foliage trees. They have like 12 maple trees. At least they have 12, right? Okay. Up again. See up there? There are more trails up there. I usually take the same trail over and over again because this is my route, you know? You see a lot of people on weekends, especially in the morning and the evening. But today is Sunday. It seems quiet because of a long weekend. People go to Vegas for 4 days weekend, you know? You know what they should grow up here? They should grow like orange trees, apple trees, you know? So people can rest and eat a little bit, right? Someone should bring orange seeds and apple seeds and be a Johnny Appleseed and toss the seeds up here, right? So you have apples and oranges to eat. Okay, see the hiking right there? See that? We are at the top. We are here. See those guys? The people walking over there? They took the easiest route. That's the easiest route to get up there. It's less tiring. For those who like to work out, you take the middle path. That one's gonna be a steep one. Well, guess which one is the steepest one? There's 3 ways to get up. I usually take the steep path, but not today. There's not a trail over here. That is a new trail because I haven't seen it before. Because most people don't use that one. Because when you take that trail, you don't go to the top. You took a shortcut. But we want to see the top, right? See the top, see the view. Here we are. Oh man, need to bring water next time. Well, I'm not supposed to be hiking today. I wasn't prepared, but I happened to pass by, so why not, right? Okay, Here are the trails. Okay, this is trail number 1. Okay, let's go up over there. Okay, this one's a medium trail. It's okay, a little bit steep, but it's not that much. The trail 1, trail 2, trail number 2. Guess which one? Here it is. This is trail number 2. This is a steep trail. You're gonna get very, very tired. It's good workout for the fat people, special need people. This one is the easiest one, but since I'm tired, I'm probably gonna take this one. Maybe that one. I'll take this one. I feel like working out. Oh shit, that looks tiring. I hope I can make it. In my 30s, yeah, no problem. Get to 40, oh man. Some people are still strong in their 40s, but it's not me, I guess. Oh man. I exercise once a week for like an hour. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm tired already. Okay, let's go up. You have to thank these guys for making a trail for us. Makes the life easier. My wife came here last week. She climbed halfway and she gave up. She wouldn't move. So I took her to a baby trail. So I came here with my wife. It took us 3 hours to get to the top of the mountain and back down the mountain. Yeah, 3 hours. But to be exact, 2 hours, 55 minutes. Come by myself, it's only 55 minutes to get up the mountain, down the mountain. So women, they cost you money and they cost you time. Oops, did you say that out loud? But it keeps you company so you don't get bored, you know? Okay, I'm surprised I made it. Oh man, look how far we walked. See that? Okay, let's finish this up. We made it. Oh shit. Usually I take a break up here for like, 10-15 minutes. But it's getting dark, so I have to head back. And I'm hungry. Yeah, should be around, what, 4 p.m., 3:30 p.m. right now. The sun is coming down around 4:30. And we have, I think we should have around like a quiet way to go. Unless I jog, we're gonna get there faster. But I'm too tired to jog, so I'm just gonna hike. Have you guys ever been to Thailand? Beautiful. I went hiking in Thailand. Wow, just like Hawaii. I think next year I'm gonna take a vacation in Hawaii. Maybe, but likely to go. It's closest one. Some people go to Mexico for vacation. Here you go. This is the first trail. This is the second easiest one. And this one's a hidden trail. Most people don't use this one right here. Yeah. That. We're gonna go this way. To get back down there, go this way. This is not a trail. A mini trail, hundreds, not hundreds, like dozens. More than dozens, 2 dozens.
Now you don't have enough. Wait, we got it. Let's make a decision here. By the way.
Okay, over there is like a diamond bar. Okay, since I can't jog, I'm gonna walk faster. So we get there faster, save you guys time, so I can go eat. Okay, this trail, this mountain is a big mountain. It covers Hacienda Heights, Rowland Heights, in Industry, and Diamond Bar. I think they covered Diamond Bar too. Not sure about Diamond Bar, but I think so. Not sure. Look at the map. You have snakes, and you have a bobcat. No, not bobcat. You have snakes here, and you got foxes. You have a mountain lion. I saw foxes, I saw snakes, and mountain lion, I haven't seen it, but there are some around here. So I gotta be careful with that. They're not dangerous, a small little mountain lion. There's another trail up here. I never use this one, so I don't know where it leads to. Okay, we're going down now. I came here once on the spring. It was a spring 2016, and it started to rain. It was beautiful. It wasn't a hard rain, it's just like a light rain. So cloudy, light rain. It's all green up here because it's springtime. You see butterflies, flapping wings, see birds. Oh, it's beautiful. The air was fresh. Man, I hiked to the top of the mountain. I stayed there for like 30 minutes, enjoying the view and the air. Yeah, so you get fresh air here in the morning. Sometimes you see a sea of fogs. But sadly, I didn't take photo of that. You just have to come here for yourself, see the fogs. You're gonna see in the winter and spring, you know, not in the summer. Okay, what kind of snakes? It's a poison type. I forget what kind of. It's black. Color is black, dark brown. I'm not sure what you call them. A rattlesnake. Yeah, there are tons of rattlesnakes up here. Okay, now watch out for them. Okay, going down. Yay. At the end of the trail, you're gonna see a horse barn. But to ride the horses, you have to pay like, I don't know, I think it's like $40 per hour to ride those horses. They're gonna take you all the way up the mountain and down the mountain for 1 hour, $40. I never tried myself, but if you want, you can go ahead, take your kids here, ride horses. Come in the spring, because it's gonna be all green. Because notice the mountains like gray and ugly, because it's winter. Come the spring, it's gonna be all green, just like Hawaii. And you take the horses up here, you know, take photos, looks nice. Because the trail is gonna be all the way behind the mountain right there. But I never went that far. I hiked up the mountain on that side, but I didn't go down. I came back to the same spot again. Because they're gonna go like way up there. It's a diamond bar side. Oh, there's a diamond bar right there. Don't expect to be buying homes around here unless you make 100,000, 50 a year. Sometimes 100,000 a year is not enough. You need $200,000 a year to buy houses around here. It's going up. It's expensive. I don't recommend you to buy it if you can't afford it. It's gonna take you forever to pay off for that house. And imagine the interest you have to pay. So my wife and I, we decided we want to move to buy a house in Texas, because we can't afford houses in California, you know. I mean, we can if we go to a high desert, right? Homes in Vegas cheap, but I don't like the atmosphere, fucking desert. You go to Victorville and up the mountain in Barstow, those are cheap homes, but it's gangs and drugs. You don't want to live there in high desert. Okay, this trail right here gonna take you to the neighborhood. It's gonna be homes up there. Okay, I never been there myself, but I think I walked there once. See that? The guy's lucky right there, living a nice home. But we're going this way. We're going this way. Down the mountain. See, it's not in yet. You have to climb all the way up there, but we're not gonna go there. Behind the mountain's Diamond Bar. Oh yeah, so mountain does go all the way to Diamond Bar. But to get there, you have to pass here. It's a tall mountain. It doesn't look that high because the mountain I'm walking on higher. You can see those homes, right? Yeah, I'll show you the homes. Nice. Lucky people. They're rich, have a lot of money, they get to enjoy life more. So I plan to work for like 20 more years, and then I plan to retire and go back to my home country. The reason being because I can't enjoy the luxury life over here. I'm not a rich man, you know. In my country, I bought a beachside condo for 25,000 baht. No, $25,000. I paid in cash. It's not expensive. But you come if you want to come to US and buy a beachside condo, shit gonna cost you $1 million and up. Even $1 million, can you buy that? But in my country, in Philippines and Taiwan and Indonesia, you know, you can a lot cheaper buy a condo next to the beach for $25,000. Imagine that. Okay, going down. Man, look at those guys. They live a good life. See, in the morning when they wake up, they enjoy the fresh air, you know. Sometimes you get a sea of fogs up here. They get to enjoy life. They walk on the balcony, drink a coffee, sip a tea, eat a breakfast, enjoy the good life. I saw the old photos from 1950s. This area, you don't see no trees up here. They are like dirt. It's nothing but mountain and dirt back in 1950s. But in 1970s, people start moving in. They start building homes, so you see some trees going, you know. Back then it's just mountain and dirt like that, nothing. So let's just go Google it, you know, Rowland Heights, 1950s. There's nothing up here. Cheap houses, cheap properties. For not so rich folks like us and me, you know, and some of you guys, we just have to save money, work hard, make as much money as you can, and buy homes elsewhere. Some people go buy homes in Mexico and Puerto Rico because they're cheap homes over there, you know, beachside houses and condos. In Puerto Rico, Mexico is cheap, but remember, Mexico is like cartel land, right? Cartel, they control the government. And drug cartel Mexico, oh man, I don't want to go there. I think that's one of the reasons why I don't want to go to Mexico and South America, because I don't know, those drug dealers scared me, you know. I've been to Tijuana once, and it was 2004. I never want to go back again to Tijuana. I thought they're gonna be like charging us for dinner and taxis and pesos, but no. Taxis and food, they charge you in US dollars. So for taxi, it costs you 40, 50, 60 bucks. Just go around town, just like the US. And food, it's not gonna be cheap. It's gonna be $1 too, especially seafood. Unless you buy street tacos. But anyway, Tijuana was like ghetto. The ocean looks ugly. I just don't like it. I want to go to Acapulco resort, but I'm afraid to go to Mexico. I'm afraid of drug dealers. So I never went. Oh man, that's a steep climb. See that mountain? Yeah. The mountain, the trail is very high, very, very high. As high as this one right here. But we're not all the way down yet, we're halfway down. So that's why you see it like kind of short. But it's high. Gotta walk faster now, I talk too much. Okay, so I got like 42% battery left. Still enough. Maybe I should just run down the mountain. Get there faster.
Ya, yo solo. No, yo solo, él hizo mamá lo que sea bien hermoso.
I think the park they close at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. No entrance. But some people are gonna sneak in anyway. They do have camping here. You have to register appointment for the camping. See that going up there? Steep climb. And over here. I think that trail gonna take you to Rowland Heights. That's a diamond bar.
When I go the other way, it's like 6.
Okay, we are going back to City Industry. Okay. We are not going up there, it's too high. That's where we came from, up there.
So when you want to do it?
No, you're not going to do that on the...
Okay, guys, we are here at the horse barn. As you can see, horse poop everywhere. There's a poop right there. horse barn. Autumn foliage. There's another trail over here. This one will take you up there. Okay, let's enjoy the autumn foliage. They don't have a lot of trees. It changes color here. They have like a 12, 13 maple trees that changes color. These are ugly trees, I call them. They're not maple. Okay, let's go enjoy the autumn. They need to grow more maple trees because for colorful park, you know. Okay. On weekends, I think on weekends I'm not sure. I think they charge you money on weekends for parking. Yeah, parking fee on weekends, they charge you like $3 to get in. Sometimes it's free, sometimes they charge you. I don't know why. You come on weekdays, the parking is free. I don't think they let you hike up there. Looks beautiful up there. There's these. Oh, see that? Autumn foliage. They're not that beautiful, but it's California, you know? You don't see a lot. See? Orange, yellow, and they have been falling for like a month now. So let's enjoy the view, shall we? Oh, these, they are falling off. See that? They're gone already. Gone. It's maple. They have like 13 maple trees. So you're not gonna see a lot of these. This is autumn 2022, okay? 2022 is not coming back. It's going bye-bye. So gotta enjoy it. Wow, these looks nice, aren't they? Red, orange, yellow, green. Should go to the East Coast. So beautiful in autumn. Oh, look at that. How beautiful is that? Huh? Look at this. Oh wow, nice. Some up here. Some over here. Changes color. It's nice, aren't they? It's good for the camping spot over here. Okay. Keep going, you're gonna see like 10 more maple trees, and after that, nothing. This one is a maple tree. It's already dead, most of them. Yeah, sometimes you see people come here for barbecue, camping, barbecue weekends. Wow, that tree looks beautiful. Nice. I don't know what kind of tree that is. Here, another maple tree. Mostly dead.
See you next year. Oh no!
Okay, this is it, folks. It's gonna be a long way to get to the front of the park. Just have to come here for yourself. Hope you enjoy the trip. Thank you for watching.
Oh, it's uphill. It's all bloated. You don't even realize you're bloated yet until like you start walking.
Oh, you keep going, you'll see sakura trees. I'm not sure they're sakura or not, but they're pink and white. You have to come here in May and April.